They have the Montgomery.
Hey, look, they have this one's got 2 drop key holes. You have to individually unlock each panel.
Yeah, that's funny.
You can, if you do this, you can only open this side. If you do this, you can only open that side.
What is the railroad? 1780 something?
The call buttons got replaced with KSS 570. And then these used to be Otis.
Yeah.
Looks like the original cabs. Whoa.
You're getting close.
Going up.
I don't know if we can go to 8.
8?
No, we can't.
Yeah, we can. So I'm just getting like pictures.
Trying to. It's 570 outside and 500 inside.
Yep. I think the call buttons got replaced.
Yeah.
8th floor.
Desk
Which
there.
are the all that confused.
Tell them that we were looking to see what's on the top floors.
Oh, we're good.
Going down.
But it's got the rare spectral.
There's a nice little wall.
We can go down to that.
Yeah, it's just back for one more. Very short visit at this point. Gotta get my new SD.
1st floor.
I wonder how I got that new voice though, because that came out with 570.
Going up.
pre-door too.
Yeah. They definitely replaced the exterior doors.
I like the slightly
Or the
curved
interior
door frames.
Yeah, that's an old, older elevator.
And
Montgomery doors.
that's it.